Once upon a time, in a lush forest, lived a greedy snake named Slyther. Slyther was always hungry and would eat anything he could find. One day, he spotted a nest of colorful eggs belonging to a rare bird. He gobbled up all the eggs, leaving the bird heartbroken. As Slyther slithered away, he began to feel a strange pain in his stomach. It turned out that one of the eggs was magical, and it cursed Slyther to be covered in feathers. Now covered in feathers, Slyther felt ashamed and realized the pain he had caused. He asked the wise old owl for help. The owl advised Slyther to apologize to the bird and return the stolen eggs. Slyther followed the advice and returned the eggs, apologizing sincerely. The rare bird, moved by Slyther's remorse, forgave him. The magical curse was lifted and Slyther's feathers disappeared. From that day on, Slyther changed his ways. He helped other animals, shared his food, and became known for his kindness. The forest animals learned that greed and selfishness bring trouble, while kindness and remorse lead to redemption. Moral of the story: greed and selfishness can lead to regret, but it's never too late to change and make amends.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself. We will meet in next story. Thank you.